My name is Alade. I'm a Bullhead City Recreation Coordinator. This year, I'll be teaching wrestling at the summer camp. Wrestling camp will be from Monday to Wednesday on week 5 from 9 to 12. This year, we'll be partnering up with Rhode Island Wrestling. We'll be showing basic techniques, basic takedowns, showing the gist of what wrestling is. And towards the end, we'll have live wrestling so all the kids can wrestle each other. And I hope to see you guys on the wrestling mat. Don't forget to sign up online. Thank you.
Doesn't that sound like an awesome time? If you're interested in anything that you heard at today's video or any of our other amazing camps, please visit us at bullheadcity.com/recdesk to register. If you have any questions about this year's summer camp program, contact me, Claire Adams, Senior Recreation Supervisor and Summer Camp Manager. You can reach me by phone at 928-763-0158, email at cadams@bullheadcityaz.gov, or come visit us at our Optimum Community Center at 2380 Optimum Way. Don't let summer break pass you by. Take advantage of our wonderful program and enter your summer camp era today.